Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back, children. So, children, in our previous video, we have discussed about the universe, stars, constellation, sun, and the solar system. Okay. So, before we further proceed, let's quickly revise what we have learned in our previous video. First, the universe. Universe is a vast expanse of space which contains various heavenly bodies like planets, stars, and moon. And Earth is a tiny speck in the vast universe. Okay, that means universe is very vast, very big. Then stars. Stars are huge ball of very hot and glowing gases, and star appears so tiny to us because it is very far away from us. Okay. Then constellations. Constellations are group of stars that appear to make patterns in the night sky. Some well known constellations are Leo, Orion, Ursa Major, etc. Then comes sun. Sun is a star, very important star. It is a huge ball of very hot gases, and earth gets its heat and light from the sun. The sun and the planets together form the solar system. In our solar system there are total 8 planets. Okay, there are total 8 planets. So these 8 planets and the sun together form the solar system. So today we will going to discuss about the planets. Okay, we will going to know about these 8 planets. So the first one is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth one is Mars, fifth one is Jupiter, sixth one is Saturn, seventh one is Uranus, and eighth one is Neptune. These are the 8 planets of the solar system. Now let's talk about it. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it is the smallest planet out of the 8 planets. Okay, then Venus. Venus is the second closest to the sun, and it is the hottest planet in the solar system. Earth. Earth is the third closest planet to the sun, and it is our home planet. Earth is our home planet, right? Because it is the only planet where life exists, and it is also known as blue planet. Then come Mars. Mars is the fourth closest planet to the sun, and it is also known as red planet, and it is the second smallest planet in the solar system. So children, to learn more about this planet, you can also watch a movie named Mission Mangal. Mars Hindi name is Mangal. You can watch this movie and know more about this planet Mars. Then fifth one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth closest planet to the sun, and it is a massive or giant planet. Okay, it is also known as giant planet. You know about superhero Hulk? Superhero Hulk is also known as giant superhero. In the same way, Jupiter is a giant planet. That means it is very big, enormous, huge. Okay. Sixth is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the to the sun, sixth planet of the solar system, right? And it is gas giant. Saturn is gas giant, and it has 7 ring systems around it. Okay. And then comes Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun, and it is a ice giant because gases and waters are present in the ice form. Okay, and it is the coldest planet, and this planet also has a ring system like Saturn, but it is very thin and dark. That is why it is not much visible. Okay, then the last one is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun, and it is also a ice giant like Uranus. So children, to learn the name of these planets in sequence, there is one very easy method. So let's see here. Easy way to learn the name of planets here. My very enthusiastic mother just served us noodles. My very enthusiastic mother just served us noodles. So here M stands for Mercury, V stands for Venus, E stands for Earth, M stands for Mars, J stands for Jupiter, S stands for Saturn, U stands for Uranus, N stands for Neptune. So children, this is the easy way to learn the name of the planets in sequence. So I hope using this method you all will learn the name of these planets. Okay, so planets are heavenly bodies that traveled around a star, and star is sun. Okay, planets travel around the sun and they are usually round in shape. Okay, some planets are made up of rocks while some are made up of gases. Now here, see, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These planets are made up of rock, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, these planets are made up of gas. Okay, so planets do not have heat or light of their own. They get their heat and light from the star they move around. They move around sun. That means all the planets get heat and light from the sun. From the sun. So children, during night time, do you only see stars in the sky? No. There is one brightest object in the sky, and that is moon, right? During daytime the brightest object is sun, and during night time the brightest object is moon. So children, you all must have noticed the size of the sun and the moon appears to be same, but the size of the moon is way more smaller than the sun. But why it appears big to us? Because the moon is closer to the earth. That is why it appears as the same size of the sun. Okay, and sun is very big and it is far away from us. But it is big, that is why it looks big to us. Okay. Moon is a ball of rock that travels around the earth. Okay, you all know that sun is in the center and rest of the planets move around the sun. In the same way, moon travels around the earth. Moon travels around the earth. Okay, so the moon is the brightest object in the sky at night, and during the day the brightest object is sun, and it is our nearest neighbor in space. So children, you should know that the beyond earth, moon is the only place where human beings have reached, and the first man who stepped on the moon was Neil Armstrong. You can search in Google and find more about him. Okay, so children, moon doesn't have its own light. Moon also gets light from the sun. Okay, moon also gets light from the sun. It is much smaller than the sun. Moon is very smaller than the sun, but it appears of the same size because moon is closer to the earth. It appears to be of the same size because it is much closer to the earth than the sun. Okay, so children, moon is a ball of rock that travels around the earth. Moon is the brightest object in the sky at night, and it is our nearest neighbor in space. Okay, it has no light of its own and it reflects the light of the sun. It is much smaller than the sun. It appears to be of the same size because it is much closer to the earth than the sun. And one more thing, moon is the earth's only natural satellite. Moon is the earth's only natural satellite. Now what is satellite? Satellite is when some bigger, when some smaller object travels around the bigger object. Okay, when some smaller object travels around the bigger object, that is satellite. Now here earth is bigger than the moon, and moon is traveling around the earth. That is why moon is the earth's natural satellite. In the same way, you can see in the solar system, sun is very big and it is in the center, and rest of the planets travel around the sun. That means all the planets are what? Satellite of the sun. In the same way, moon is the earth's only natural satellite because it travels or orbits around the earth. Okay, now let's talk about the planet earth. I have told you in the beginning also, planet earth is our home planet. Okay, it is the only known planet where life exists. So the earth is the third planet from the sun. Okay, it is the third planet from the sun, and it is the only known planet to have life, and the surface of the earth is made up of land and water. So children, I have told you when we were discussing about planets, I have told you that earth is also known as the blue planet. Why? Because 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Okay, as you can see here in the picture also, 70% of the earth atmosphere is covered with water. That is why it is also known as blue planet. Okay, and the earth was formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Okay, so children, earth is a very special planet. Why? Because it is the only known planet where life exists. How we are able to breathe, how the life is possible here? Because our atmosphere is made up of nitrogen and plenty of oxygen, okay, which help us to breathe. And earth has mountains, valleys, plains and oceans and so much more. So that is why our planet earth is very special, because life is here. Okay, so we should save our mother earth, save our planet earth. And how we can do that? Cutting less number of trees. We should plant more and more trees. We should not use those things which harms the environment, like polythene. Okay, we should not pollute our environment. Instead, we should conserve, we should save our environment. Okay, so I hope children, you all will plant more and more trees. Now let's quickly revise what we have learned today. Okay, planets are heavenly bodies that traveled around a star. Okay, planets traveled around a star, and star is sun. That means planets travel around the sun. Some of the planets are made up of rocks, while some are made up of gases. I have told you, right? Then there are total 8 planets in our solar system. That is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these all are planets which is made up of rocks, while Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus and Neptune are the gaseous planets because they are made up of gases. Fourth, the moon is the brightest object in the sky at night, and it travels around the earth. That is why moon is the earth's only natural satellite. Okay, and moon appears big to us because it is closer to the planet earth. And earth is our home planet. Earth is the only known planet where life exists. Earth is very special planet because life is possible here. And how we are able to breathe? Because help of the oxygen. Okay, and we all should protect our mother earth. Okay, so children, there is one homework for you all, but before that let's quickly discuss worksheet. Okay, question 1 is fill in the blanks. The dash is our nearest neighbor in space. The moon is our nearest neighbor in space. The moon travels around the Earth. The moon travels around the earth. Now you have to tell the sentence is true or false. Okay, you have to state that the sentence which is given here, it is true or false. So first one is moon has its own light. It is true or false? False, because moon doesn't has its own light. Moon gets light from the sun. Okay. Second is Jupiter is the fifth and most massive or giant planet. True, because Jupiter is the fifth and most massive planet, and it is also known as the giant planet. Now third one is Earth is the only known planet where life exists. True, Earth is the only known planet where life exists. Okay, right. So fourth one is solar system has 10 planets. False. Solar system has how many planets? 8. Now question third is multiple choice questions. You from these given options you have to choose the correct answer, correct option. The number of planets in the solar system is 8. The only known planet where life exists is Earth. Question 4, answer in one word. Name the Earth's natural satellite. The Earth's natural satellite is moon. Which gas helps us to breathe? Which gas helps us to breathe, children? Oxygen. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. Mercury is closest to the sun. Now answer in short. Name the different planets of the solar system. Okay, the different planets of the solar system is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Describe the moon. Moon is the second largest and brightest object in the sky, and it is the Earth's only natural satellite. Okay, moon gets light from the sun. Describe the Earth. Earth is our home planet, and it is the only planet where life exists. Okay, and 70% of the Earth's atmosphere is covered with Earth's surface is covered with water, and that is why Earth is also known as the blue planet. Okay, so children, this homework you have to do in your rough notebook, or whatever notebook is available with you, you can do in that notebook. Okay, so let's discuss about it. First is fill in the blanks. First, the universe is a vast expanse of space. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Second, the dash is our nearest neighbor in space. Who is our nearest neighbor in space? Moon. Moon is our nearest neighbor in space. The earth gets its heat and light from the sun, because earth is a planet and sun is a star, and earth travels or move around the sun, right? So earth gets its heat and light from the sun. Fourth, dash do not have heat or light of their own. Planets do not have heat or light of their own. They get heat and light from the star they move around. That means that star is sun. Now here in B1 you have to circle the odd one out. First one is Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Pluto. Here the odd one is Pluto, because Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, these all are planets, but Pluto is not a planet. Before it was considered as planet, but now it is not a planet. That is why it is the odd one out. Second one is Uranus, Leo, Orion, the Great Bear. Now here the odd one out is Uranus. Odd one out is Uranus. Why? Because Leo, Orion and Great Bear, these all are constellation, while Uranus is a planet, is the planet. Now answer the following questions. Describe the universe. Universe is a vast expanse of space which contains various heavenly bodies like planets, moons and stars. What are constellations? Name a few well-known constellations. Constellation is when group of stars appear a pattern or shape in the sky is known as constellations. and some well-known constellations are Leo, Orion, Ursa Major, etc. What are stars? Stars are a huge ball of very hot glowing gases, and star produces its own heat and light, and stars are very far away from us, that is why it appears tiny to us. Now MCQ, multiple choice question. The sun is a planet, moon or star? The sun is a star. The only known planet with life on it is Earth, Venus or Mars, Earth. Okay, so children, I hope you enjoyed learning this chapter and you found it interesting. So children, you have to do this homework, and whatever homework I am giving to you, and the homework which I have given to you in previous video also, kindly do it in your notebook children. Okay, thank you children. Sai Ram.